Hi guys. This time RCTYou will recommend a website and provide a tutorial that will help you pass the monetization requirements. That is, at least have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Let's go straight to the address in the browser, called ktech7.com. After many observations made, RCTYou finally found this site, where the ktech7 platform has several advantages, compared to several other similar sites or applications.
1. If you add subscribers and views using third-party services based on robots or machines, it is different with ktech7. This site is purely a human-made system. The object of the video to be subscribed or watched can be chosen according to interest, not forced without other choices. This is very important because if you use a machine, even if it passes monetization later and when you upload a new video, of course the machine will not watch it, especially while drinking coffee. And it greatly affects the revenue from ad impressions on your videos. You still have to build your audience all over again.
2. The gender and country of the audience can be set. Some videos only require male or female viewers. For example, content about cosmetic, of course, only women are interested in it. And the country of origin is adjusted to the target audience segmentation and the video language used. This is important so that later in the new video they watch it again.
3. Subscribers and viewers are permanent. You don't have to worry about losing them. Because they are just like you. If you or they unsubscribe a video that has been previously subscribed in the system, then you or they will be penalized. Your account or theirs will be banned and the number of subscribers will be revoked by the system. So, being a good member must be successful.
4. This is what everyone is looking for. Free. There is indeed a VIP account, but the site owner also suggests that using the free features is more than enough. So what are you waiting for? Let's follow the tutorial to completion. The first step, click register, then slide to the right and fill in your username, email and password. Fill in all according to the instructions, then click submit. After that, a success message will appear. Then swipe left and enter the username or email and password you just registered. Then log in. After logging in, you will get free 100 coins. Then in the second step, start looking for additional coins. Scroll down to earn coins menu. You can choose YouTube subscribe, like or views activity. In this case, as an example, we use YouTube views. On the right side, a row of videos from other participants will appear. You can choose which video suits your interests and the number of coins offered. If it doesn't match, click skip. If it is appropriate, click watch video for 1 minute. You will get additional coins as listed in the video and can start choosing other videos. Remember, do this repeatedly at least 20 times, so that your videos that will be watched and channels that will be subscribed get ranked and appear in the playlist row.
Then how to subscribe, select the YouTube subscriber menu, select the channel in the list on the right, click subscribe, then a pop-up browser will appear, click and enter the channel in question. Click subscribe again, then close it and return to the ktech7 page. If you like this activity, then do it repeatedly, so that your points continue to grow.
The third step is to create your channel and video page. Select Add Page in the Account Manager menu and start filling in according to the instructions on the right. For example, select the type with YouTube views to increase showtimes. Copy and paste your video link, write the title in the title column, set the bid amount of coins per click. For daily views and total clicks limit, set disabled. Then select your viewer's gender and country of origin. Remember, adjust the language of your video, don't set it from all countries, it will only backfire. Unless you use English as your video language. For coin settings, you can set the coin bid amount from 5 to 20. If you want to sell cheap or expensive, it's up to you. From here, your coins will decrease, to provide services for people who click on your video or channel later. And when it's finished, click the Add Page button at the bottom. Do it again to create another ad page for your other videos.
Likewise, to find subscribers, click Add Page, select the type of YouTube subscriber, copy and paste your channel link and so on, the same as creating the page to add showtimes earlier. All your settings will appear here. Click My Pages, then on the right, select the type of page YouTube views or YouTube subscribers, then at the bottom will appear data and status of the development of exchanges that have occurred. If it's not there, wait a while looking for more coins because your page has just been created. The next step is the fourth. Share your referral link with your YouTuber friends. Every single person from your referrals who joins this program, you will get a bonus of 200 points. With a note, your friend has also registered and has made at least 20 exchanges, just like what you have done before.
The trick is to click affiliate and then copy the link that appears, which has been combined with your referral code. Then just share it on your social media. The more coins you get, the faster your subscribers and channel and video showtimes will be achieved. Also check the bonus points every week for active participants. Redeem the weekly bonus code in the Redeem Point menu. Those are the recommendations and tutorials this time. The website link in question is in the description of this video. Hope it is useful.